Welcome back to Randomly Perfect Skybound, your ultimate destination for captivating aviation content. Today, we're bringing you an exclusive look at one of the most incredible aircraft in aerial firefighting, the CL-415 water bomber. This amphibious marvel is designed to battle wildfires with unmatched precision. And right here at Toronto, the Canadian International Airshow 2024, it's putting on a spectacular show over Ontario Lake at Toronto's lakeshore. As the CL-415 effortlessly scoops up over 6,000 liters of water in mere seconds without even touching down. This extraordinary ability allows it to quickly reload, making it an indispensable tool for tackling fires in remote and rugged terrain. As the aircraft descends gracefully, the pilots are preparing for one of the most critical operations, a perfectly executed water drop. Capable of flying low over treetops, the CL-415 releases its payload with pinpoint accuracy, blanketing large areas with water to suppress fast-moving wildfires. Water drop. And now, here it comes, the signature water drop maneuver. Watch closely as thousands of liters cascade from the plane in a breathtaking display of aerial precision. Every drop counts when lives, communities, and wildlife are at stake. Impact and utility. Built for resilience, the CL-415 is engineered to endure the harshest conditions while providing a crucial lifeline to those battling the flames. This aircraft isn't just a tool, it's a testament to human ingenuity, teamwork, and the courage required to combat nature's most dangerous forces. If you enjoyed this thrilling demonstration, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Randomly Perfect Skybound for more breathtaking aviation content. Stay tuned, more incredible videos are coming your way soon.